Heath. Found out that I was supposed to go to jail.
I can't see, so I just have to force my eyes open.
I'm going fast! Okay, 3:52 in the morning.
Rise and shine. It's butt whipping time.
Get Colby.
Let's go. Oh, you know what? Let's give him a fire.
Here we go. Wait, is Colby still asleep? He's awake.
All right.
That would made a noise getting out. Okay, what's the list of things we have to declare here?
The dangerous goods include a chainsaw, gasoline, chemicals,
and then a hoverboard.
Oh, and a vape.
Oh, and a vape. You can't bring a vape pen. You can't vape and hoverboard to the airport.
I have a lighter and a vape on me right now.
I have a hoverboard. I'm a fire.
Many
people tried to go through security with a chainsaw that had to put it on the side.
Who's bringing like beakers and like
Who's bringing Dexter's laboratory through the airport?
poison?
Someone's trying to do full-on construction on this plane while we're in there.
What is it? It's a test tube. What is that? What the fuck? Oh shoot.
Did you what?
We can't bring like test tubes with chemicals
You're
in it?
late to the joke.
Did I miss that?
Yeah, you did.
I was in the back. Is that test tubes with chemicals that we? Is that? You can't vape?
Really? I have a hoverboard because I'm a finer.
Yeah?
I walked out, I was like,
we're outside. Right off the bat. Okay, so we got up at 3:42 this morning with some pots and pans. We took a flight to Luxor. And now we are immediately, on about 4 hours of sleep, going to a temple. Non-stop.
5 a.m.
Yeah, we have 4 temples to see, 2 tombs, and then a sound and light show. And then tomorrow we have to be up at 3:30 in the morning to get on a hot air balloon. No sleep.
No sleep.
Let's go. Oh, yeah! Upgraded. Okay.
you look good.
You look great. Oh, there we go.
Dad.
Welcome, Dad.
I got it.
It's a video.
Forgot he spoke English.
Don't stop, turn off the lights. Nauseous when I wake up. Don't quit, I fell for you. Don't break it into long time.
Okay, here we go. Here we go.
Right back at
Do
it.
we need to stretch first? Do we need to stretch? No. No. Okay. 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 Okay.
You ready?
Yeah. Okay. Got it.
Are you ready for
Just
this?
gonna casually walk. Oh, that's not. Okay. Alrighty then. Let's get some snacks.
That wasn't comfortable for me. I'm still shaking in my shoes. Get used to it now.
Yeah, you are. Heath. Red Bull.
I think it's closed. So there are.
Oh! It's closed.
Yeah.
We finally found Red Bull. Oh!
Alright, let's
Dude, I got so pumped.
Oh shit, we gotta do it again.
Oh fuck.
Standing up for you. Break down.
the king, but I can't bring the camera in.
Don't fall off of the shark. Don't wait for magic spark. Make it work all those weekends stuck on the.
But this is fucking crazy.
Yeah, you can't not.
I'm gonna take a video here. This is nuts. This is so nuts.
That was in BC and they did this.
Yeah. 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 What? Damn. That's the tomb. Whoa, look at all the color though.
Would you say this is the most heavily guarded tomb?
Yeah.
Out of all of them?
Out of all the layers of protection, yeah. Doesn't that weigh like 200 tons? Is that what he said?
I thought he said 700.
Yeah, the lid is like 200, and then the whole thing in total. Nuts.
Okay.
Okay, so fun fact, I got caught filming on my iPhone, and we found out that I was supposed to go to jail.
Can we talk about how many times you were told not to film?
Not enough, apparently.
Clearly.
Yeah.
It was like 20
And
times.
still wanted to do it again after being.
Yeah, exactly. But apparently our guide talked our way out of me going to Egyptian
He
jail.
said normally it's the ticket plus jail.
Plus jail, yes.
So $300 fine plus jail.
Yeah, 300 Egyptian fine, which is like $1.75, and then jail.
He was
then
being,
jail for 20 years.
There's a very drastic difference
Right,
between.
I keep forgetting the
Yeah, it was literally like a $2 fine and then 2 years in jail. All right, well.
Next time we gotta like listen to directions.
Oh, jeez.
He said, oh, Elton.
He found the Mecca. Oh, he found the Mecca.
How much for one?
Good price. Before, don't worry. I give a special price for you.
I am worried.
Yeah, don't worry.
We're all
Okay.
worried.
We're getting screwed over. 2 of these is 75.
Okay, here we go. Here we go. We're gonna do it.
Getting screwed again.
Good price?
That's not a good price.
That's not a good price.
That's $5. That's $5 a Red Bull. That's not a good price. We have our Red Bulls.
I feel like I was doing something bad back there, like
I know.
bargaining like that. Like,
Yeah.
It's like a drug deal for Red Bull.
For Red Bull, yeah. So I almost went to jail. We just bargained for Red Bull, and it's only like 10 in the morning.
Now we're gonna go see HATSHEPSUT.
That was close enough. Okay, let's stop saying that now. Darth Vader's here. May the force be with you. No, okay, nothing. Never mind. Where are we walking to right now? What is this?
This is Hatshepsut temple.
HATSHEPSUT.
Okay, what is it?
Has to put.
Yep.
Suit.
Hatshepsut.
You're right.
Hatshepsut. Okay.
Hat.
Yep. Hat. Yep.
She put hats in the ship.
Yep. Sheb.
Suit.
Suit.
Yes.
Okay, so Hatshepsut.
Yes.
Got it.
HATSHEPSUT.
So Sheb is like a tie, so like Hatshepsut. Hatshepsut. Hat soup.
Hot chicken soup, but don't say it. She's a
Hot
queen.
chicken soup?
She's a
Oh, hot chicken soup. Okay.
queen.
Is that what we say to the Egyptian women here?
She's a queen.
You're a bowl of hot chicken soup?
Let me get a spoon of that. Jesus.
No, not Jesus. Allah. The Egyptian Rocky. Egyptian Rocky. There. Okay. There we go. All I hear is you just go, that's so stupid.
Time flies, close your eyes. Imagine you could see
before the high dam down.
everybody else's dream. What a cost.
So hard to see.
Oh my God.
What are you doing?
I can't see, so I just have to force my eyes open. Oh, this hurts so bad, Elton. Oh! I can't do it anymore. I can't do it anymore.
Well, luckily we're almost in the temple.
We didn't accept the colors in the king's
We're only human after all.
has been sealed. This one was open. The colors of the
Nothing could make us fall apart. I'm ready to answer for what I've done wrong in my life. It's nothing, I promise. It's not enough to make you cry. I'm only human after all. I'm only human after all. It's not that big a deal.
queen that they scratched off. I feel like it's something we should do to all of our pictures with ex-girlfriends.
Could you imagine? It's all chiseled. If we had just like stone carvings of us and our exes.
Yeah, and you just gotta go in and just
fuck this bitch.
Damn it.
You cheated on me with.
That would feel so much better than just like ripping a picture though.
Yeah.
Imagine if it was a stone and you're just like bashing it. That's sick.
What you doing, buddy?
I'm blending in, they can't see me.
You should go behind the rope and then blend in even more. It's good, it's good,
I
it's
look
good.
pretty much like him.
Oh. Okay. Perfect. Wait, there we go, hold on. Nailed it. It's okay, thank you.
You got this, Elton. Cheese. Oh yeah. Look at that.
He's doing the same thing I do.
He's becoming an American.
Thank you.
Why doesn't our house look like this, man? Come on.
I mean, it kind of does. Look, I'll run down to this. Yeah, we just need to add like a sink full of dirty dishes and it'll feel right at home. Dude's got the angles down. Look at that. Damn, okay. Okay. He's crushing the Instagram game right now.
I always get awkward. I don't know what you want me to do when you do those kind of shots.
Just walk
Do I
normally.
look at camera or do I like...
I mean, you have sunglasses on, so it doesn't really matter where you look.
Yeah, but body language is really key.
Okay, I don't know. What do you want to do?
I don't know.
What do you want to do next time? Just do whatever you feel natural.
Well, I don't know. It's just a lot of pressure when you put it on me and you don't tell me what to do.
Okay, well, here, let's just practice next time. What would you do next time?
Here, go ahead.
Okay, let's do it over. Let's do it over. Rerun the whole thing. Super natural.
Super natural.
Okay, yeah, same thing over again.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Hey, baby.
Yeah, perfect. Do that every time. Do that every time. That was great, yeah.
I winked at camera.
Okay, but
Glasses.
sunglasses.
I'm going fast. Thank you.
I hit myself that hurt really bad.
Pull my fanny pack, Sam.
Great way just to get tourists to do your job all day.
Yeah.
I feel like I like broke everything he was working on is now ruined. This is so crazy. Like, I don't think the people watching these videos like understand how insane, like it looks like nothing.
That's got to be like 100 feet tall though.
Yeah, that's massive, and it's 3,500 years old. And they just found this a couple months ago under the ground.
And these were just the statues on the sides at
Right.
the beginning of the temple. Imagine that as an entrance hall.
Yeah.
Boom.
I mean, it's just insane. What? Colby, have him take your picture, and then I'm gonna. Oh, okay, he's got the angle. And then I'm gonna try. I mean, he's.
1, 2, 3.
Was it good? Was it beautiful? Wow. Is it dope?
Do you think you can beat that?
Did I beat that?
Let's try it. Let's
Hell
try
yeah, I
it.
can beat
I'm
that.
saving it,
I'm
and then.
gonna destroy that.
Okay, let's see it.
Okay, hold on.
Your face. Measure. Okay. This is the angle. We're gonna hold this
I'm
angle.
gonna do the same
Now we're gonna turn it
pose.
to a
The
triangle.
power stance.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, but you fucked up the angle. Hold on. God damn it.
Wait,
Back here.
Elton's a
Okay,
professional, guys.
Okay, good. Now let's make a triangle out of it. Rule of fifths. Okay, now circle. Circle. Just do this one time.
Is that my phone?
Okay, cool. You ready? Oh, your phone locked. Hold on, my bad. Your phone locked. We gotta do it over.
No,
Come on,
Not professional. Hold on.
Elton.
Yep.
No.
Go ahead. You done? You done? Okay, cool. One more time.
Yeah, put it in your balls. Make him grab it and then hold it up by his face again. There you go. Jesus.
I'm just gonna take a selfie.
That's a great picture.
Make sure the ISO and the aperture is all good.
Everyone just go to the car. Just keep backing up. Keep backing up. Keep.
Yes, we're
Back
taking
up.
a
We're gonna go to the
picture.
car. We're gonna go to the car.
Yep. Alright, let's go.
I can hear you.
Damn it, it locked again. Oh, okay, I got it. I won.
Shows me
Thank you.
and the statue, and you put a filter on it.
I did. Did I?
Yes.
Oh, I didn't mean to.
Do you do like camera work for a living or something?
Yeah,
like that?
sometimes. I think I know how to use a camera.
You have got a camera skills?
Yeah, I think
that's pretty good.
I'm pretty good with the camera sometimes.
I don't know. I've seen Elton's Instagram pictures.
Oh! That's funny. I only see 2 of yours a month.
That's because I only post hot fire.
Oh, that means you're not cooking too often, are you, buddy?
Well, you know, you can't rush perfection, just like this right here. It takes years.
Oh, look at him tail. Come here, buddy. Okay, bye, buddy.
Buddy's a little bit frightened.
All right, let's go get lunch. Maybe Buddy will come out once we'll bring some food out for Buddy. Dude, this is rad. Valley of the Kings, Queen, everything.
A little bit better than McDonald's.
Yeah. Cheers to day 2.5 in Egypt. With 2.5 more to go.
And that freaking view.
And then Dubai, and then Amsterdam.
Wow.
Saddle up.
to make you cry.